Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create free DeepFake video with the help of AI. Artificial intelligence is becoming more threatening day by day. With the help of AI, many things are possible today that were considered impossible in the past. The future may have more shocking than we can even imagine. Let's keep it for the future. Presently, some AI tools are capable of stealing your identity. All it takes is just a picture of you, and your face can be copied. Tomorrow, you might find yourself conversing with someone in a place you've never even heard of, nor did see the person's face. In today's video, we will talk about one such AI tool that can change the face of a person in a video. So let's get started. Today, I will run the AI tool with Google Colab. If you have a high configuration computer with a decent GPU, then you can install it locally, but now we will use Google Colab. I will put the link in the description below. Just click on the link and you will in this page. This is Roop one-click DeepFake, and it's a free tool. Before getting started, you have to connect to a server. Click on Connect button from here. After connecting to the server, come to the left side of the page and click on the folder icon. A new tab will be open. Now we have to upload our target video and source image. For doing this, click on the file upload icon from here. I have collected a video of random person for the target video and an image of Elon Musk as the source image. Good. Select both of them and click on Open button. A warning pop-up will appear. Just click on. OK. Fine. Our files have been uploaded successfully. Now we will start the main task. Go to Clone Rope repo and install dependencies, and click on the Cell Run button. You will see another warning. Just click on Run anyway. It will take few minutes for completing the process, according to your C speed. I will fast forward this part. After completing the installation, click on the drop-down button and then run the download model. There is an error. It says unrecognized arguments. Sometimes it's the video error, or if source file's name contains space, then you face the error. You have to rename the file names and remove space from them. Now the main task begins. We will swap faces from the video with this DeepFake tool. In first line, you can see target here. We will put our target video, go to the folder option and click on the three-dot menu. Then select copy path. After that, select content video, M4, and paste the target video path by pressing Ctrl+V. Now we will change the source image path from here. Click on the three-dot menu of your source image and select copy path, and then paste it on the source image path. Good. Let's run the model again. Now it's working perfectly. I will do its work. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. All right, I has done its work. Let's download our output file, go to the directory tab and refresh the directory tab. Now you will find a new file named swapped.m4. Click on the three-dot menu and then select Download your file. Your file will download right away. Let's play the video. It's just awesome. The AI tool perfectly captures the expression, gestures, and even the wrinkles. That's unbelievable, really impressive. Now, if you want to change the target video, then just upload another target video. Copy the file path and paste it here. And if you want to swap faces with another person, then upload the source image and paste the file path here. I will try some other faces. In this video, I will try again with Elon Musk, Jennifer, and Mr. Bean. In this way, you can create unlimited deepfake videos, and the best thing is this tool is totally free. You don't have to spend a single penny, even you don't need GPU. That's really impressive. Okay, let's enjoy all the video footages. wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of free deepfake video creation. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.